Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to take a closer look at this Shelby GT500 made by Maisto at the 1/18 scale. Here is the front, we have the Shelby logo there, so we have the GT500 logo, and also we have a Shelby written there on the front splitter. The headlights look pretty good, we have this grille on the hood. This model is metallic and has full openings. And also we have functional steering. We have the wheels with the Ford logo there. Also we have the brakes. We have the Brembo written on the brake caliper. We have the Shelby logo there on the side. Sadly, no windows for the doors. On the back we have this huge wing. And also we have the stop lights. We have the Shelby logo. Have the license plate which for performance. We have the exhaust tips with also the diffuser and the reverse light. Underneath the car we have some details. In the front also we have the exhaust, the gearbox. So we have some details in the back as well. Let's open the hood and see the engine bay. We have there the supercharger with the Shelby logo on it. Very nice looking motor for Maisto. Let's open the door as well and see inside. Pretty decent interior in my opinion for a Maisto. We have the Shelby on the center of the wheel. Also we have a lot of buttons, and also we have a carbon fiber texture there on the dash. Let's open the passenger door as well. Good looking interior and quite a few details. And let's check out the trunk as well. Not much to see in the trunk, it's just a lot of plastic. Please tell me in the comments what do you think about the model. Personally, I really like the model. It really stands out. Also I like the color combination, this yellow with black roof and black spoiler. Also don't forget to subscribe for more videos.